Welcome to this home in Northgate, one of the most desirable areas in Colorado Springs. If you're looking for mountain views, high-ranking school district, and a warm and inviting place to call your home, this house may just capture your heart. Step inside and the first thing you'll notice is how natural light pours through this incredible two-story wall of windows. Whether you're cooking, entertaining, or just enjoying your morning coffee, this space is truly the heart of the home. Step outside onto the private backyard patio, surrounded by lush, mature landscaping. It's peaceful, quiet, and completely ready for your summer evenings and weekend barbecues. The main level also offers a bedroom, full bathroom, perfect for anyone who needs main level living. Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a spacious primary suite with mountain views. The ensuite 5-piece bathroom gives you a retreat feel, complete with a soaking tub, dual vanities, and a walk-in closet. The finished basement gives you even more room to spread out, with a large bedroom, full bathroom, tons of storage, and a flexible rec room that you can turn into a theater, home gym, or extra lounging space. This home sits in a quiet, well-maintained community, close to the Air Force Base, I-25, restaurants, healthcare, and check out these amenities that are just 5 minutes away. This is something that I want you to hear. As much as I can capture the home, the layout, and the beauty of it, one thing I can't capture on video is how it feels. This is one of those unique properties that just feels special the moment that you walk in the front door. If this house is grabbing you, please feel free to reach out to me for a private showing. This is Casey Fortune at Fortune Realty.